We'll guide you through how to add clock in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file where you want to display the clock. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely and the worksheet becomes visible on the screen. Next, decide where you want to display the clock in your spreadsheet. Choose a cell that will clearly show the time and will not interfere with other data. Click the cell where the clock will appear to activate it. After selecting the cell, type the equal symbol to start a formula. After that, type the function now in the formula bar. Then add opening and closing parentheses after the function. Once the formula is complete, press Enter on your keyboard. Immediately after pressing Enter, observe the current date and time appearing in the selected cell. You will notice that the cell shows both the date and the time together. If you only want to display the clock, you will need to adjust the format of the cell. Click the cell again to select it. Then move your cursor to the Format menu located in the top menu bar. Click Format to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, look for the number category. Your cursor over number to reveal additional formatting choices. From the list of options, click the time option. After selecting this format, observe the cell displaying only the current time instead of both the date and time. The value in the cell now acts like a simple clock that shows the current time. If needed, click another empty cell and repeat the process to place additional clocks in your sheet. To make the clock easier to read, you can adjust the font size of the cell. Click the cell containing the time, then move to the font size menu in the toolbar. Click the menu and choose a larger font size. Observe the clock becoming easier to read as the text becomes larger. Finally, review the clock displayed in the sheet. Confirm that the time appears clearly in the spreadsheet and is positioned where you want it. You can now continue working in your sheet while the clock remains visible.